Dang it, sweater's ready, aren't you, Jim?
I am. You know, and I don't know if they're back or not. Look at those big turtleneck sweaters these guys wore. Are they back in? They're back in.
You gotta have
I gotta have one of those, dude. Because it's part hat, it's part scarf. All right, let's talk about what's going on in the water. I think the White House. You know what? It's my first night back in my feet. Let's talk about what we got going on out there. Nice little disturbance rolling down the jet. And this is that nice little sharp trough that we're going to watch probably over the next 4 or 5 days. Impact everybody from the Great Lakes into the Northeast. The models were getting kind of interesting yesterday with it, especially across the Northeast. It's a different day. Trust me. All right, so here goes this low dropping the trough. When it goes through the base and trough, it sharpens up a little bit. And what I mean by that is kind of maximizes what it can do to the atmosphere in terms of squeezing out the moisture. And so we may squeeze out some of that moisture across parts of Iowa. And I'll show you that in a second. But this begs the question, is this early? As we getting into a situation now where some wind is arriving in, and it doesn't really mean anything to the rest of the season, all right? Because this is an early cold blast, yes, and it is going to be early snow for some of you, yes, as well. Here are some of the dates of the average first measurable snowfall. So we're talking about a trace or more, typically, and surprisingly farther away than the third. I think we're there again, measurable snowfall in Fargo. Marquette Travis from the Green Bay. By the way, this place up there in Fulton County, Michigan, has come in with 2.5 inches of lake effect snow. I think somebody is going to get smoked over the next 96 hours with lake effect. All right, you're going to be in elevation, whether it's going to be the tons, but a few off peninsula, but somebody is going to get hammered here because there's going to be enough cold air with this thing to produce some very heavy wet snow in some parts of the Great Lakes. All right, so here's this disturbance coming on down. The leading part of this is producing precipitation not reaching the ground. All right, so it's saturating up the atmosphere. And remember what I said, it's going to come down through the base of the trough and maximize its potential about right there in northeastern Iowa tomorrow morning. So here are the models going from tonight, and we're asking again what we do in these models to say, here's the criteria, here's the atmosphere as it is now. I need you to minute out what you are going to do with the weather over the next X amount of time. All right, so the first disturbance comes through, produces a little bit of wet snow. Interestingly enough, the next one here has colder air to work with, and it does not produce snow. So I'm kind of surprised at that. But don't be surprised if you get more snow on Wednesday in the morning than you do on Tuesday morning. So this thing passes on by. The Great Lakes will get snow, and possibly our friends in Cedar Rapids will get their earliest 1-inch snowfall on record. These are the guys go back in the 1800s.
Wow.